We are a bonus and a papa more. Then in the emergency anymore. Emergency if it's a semi debano, a idea emergency Rebecca Nutrition. A idea here said put to promo idea or say Ebegina and yes idea. Yeah, corner son, a Holland for a free Holland nearby. Holland, Ghana for Holland. Almost etiti ho womu na ye bia ye gina womu anamu ewo ahai ye gina womu anamu ewo ha se womu ntobo a womu de maayen egi nananom diye the Council of Chiefs eni nananom a ewo Holland se ye ndi sa adwuma we no no kore womu de boayen yeso yensa kan sika no yamfa nhye botum edini nyina pia ba Convanoche Hospital hanom management team omo wa hanom no na yede sika no ebehye wo monsa emra so se nananom eni ye begina hanom ewo Ghana fo ewo Holland mu edin mu ne yenso ya present ayi a kire amansan se Ghana fo ewo Holland no so no yenso ye ntobo akakra ye no ababeduru no so ne yenwie se ne amenu aka ye ayare sawo ho no hospital se yensi no ba dakunwie sa so ne yemfa airport so yensi no ba kon so nwie enti kakra nya ye de ba ne nya $11,000 eni didi kan bae yaba se betwamfoni no ye de kokokere ye nuanom a omo etoto omo nsase no de boaye no ye kɔ ne yesa de akokere wo se me nuanom oyi ne amosoma ye no ye de aba awie se ye de aba wie de a adwuma no sa nya adwuma ketwa adwuma no so enti ye srem ara obi na kan na se repetition of abundance makes a stranger laugh eje say ye de adibiom nti no ma wo ho eni ye sreye nti se asamba ebe srewom se omo so no koso no omo wayen omo wantimi anya bia maso krampo na bia na kan no os me twen ahwe se nkrofo omo be ye no omo di no kre a ese no kware no so ne yenso ebetena ha no me enu nyina eche nti no kakra nti ayo ha no no ena me de ede amamu nti e bota edisi eni no se ye beda oyi ho di a kire Convanoche na ho unity for no so a unity so ana aso yase contributions e ba nyina unity di mufa kese pa no ena free Holland a yeso ye de ba ha fi se na dwuma wo ye no free Amsterdam ena se Amsterdam ne den ha gon so no no so no e wo pa de na Ghana for do so ho no de na kwan bia so no omu so nya yimu ena omu se omu pani pa so no wo ha no nyina ne other European countries no so no abegina mu bi se kwan bia so no yen hwe na ne a ye no eye no fe se ne be a ono so no bi a obesan ato no boto mu biom e de abeboa na aba ne ma bi akofe so fefe nti we de mu bi sa me a kakra me de ede emamo no medamasi
Nana ensure their body was supporting a genuine. You are utunful, the damp prano and Kosovo about Holland and so on. Dodonami media Kunyana, a firm President Bush. Until the ensure their body won't make an a bush of firm major and assembly member as our southeast district of Amsterdam.
The group CEO of Unity Link.
The following is Harry Rodrigo, Group CEO of Unity Link. Unity Link work Amsterdam, Holland, Belgium, Europe, London, any US in Onona Odano as Group CEO. And I mean, so your friend Apostle Dr. Wuheni na ebi opari mina me your customer service guide.
Very chairman Ebedas said you mean young free Holland. Now a Ghanaian Council of Chiefs in the Netherlands in collaboration with Ghanaian community. A bra yewu an issue that was November 2023. 2 days later, Anna Ohini, the president of Ghanaian Chiefs, I am for free Ghana, name Omote Holland, Anna Oma forming a crew. I just said, ye radiabano, a yanocre, a papa, as ye know so. Meanwhile, I mean, so many open so radio, ye do home come up and son, you were ebe luncheon, no, a waha. Into that is a basse, say ya body in it, yen na young come. If we say, if we are saying, if funny being kumishia near yardia, a jina dancer, Bakobe, into a choir, kama. Yeah, just cardia, then see who say, oh, and he am for a tim. And went to Unity. Unity links way means rank of Mecca's removed by Western Union. Sana Mecca was about 33 years ago. Amsterdam, Holland. Na I said, I can say, even the CEO and also the founder name of Crano, if you say Chidumasi here. I just say, the cartoon, none of the official letter. And so what you did called Ghana Embassy. Emma, and also a budget, a jitums and pa, and yen in a baby. Anna Fedia Ahem for ne association, sorry, ya Aka Holland, yen ya kaboom, into ye 2 phases. Ya pre-lunch, Den Haag, and I said, sorry, The Hague. Me can The Hague, and I'm betting ye make or can ye dim. Ye sa adding track over Hollander. Amsterdam, your baby, a Ghana for doors pa. The second a use ye Den Hague. Into the acquire say, okay, and ye becca start here for Den Hague. And the Holland Soprano administrative capital. And the king of the Netherlands, or backroom a kingdom, or Hinan a Honwati. And also conswa Asantehene or Holland, or also or Hina or Timin Selifasi, Nasa Kufuni Pemu, or also Den Hague ho, name a hem for Akania Hema etie. Tiani, ye bayani say ye free ha, me a baha. Tia ye Den Hague, dear we. Near Bayer, young fan said the grand one, no, Amsterdam. The whole na Ghana ambassador. Minim si asasane dia be me ba no a friend Dr. Francis Dante Kotia abeka ye ho and then Unity adini delegation abeta you na sanke can in average or multiplication sika ye nya ya ye de ba be ya adoya na se ye di kan dia ba no ke mu be 50% make us if Unity links a bo mama ni. But even after that crowd, when you turn us and come on, there is more idea, at least your type a bit more boya may then because Unity links, no, that's by say Holland, no, a bit UK, almost about 17 countries within the Europe, no, more pretty than to the US, North America. And you know, Yadiaba, Yawie. Said ye Asantehene kind was a hospital in Zimbi. Debia, it is a son at ya Jeffrey for her. Ye nyan share done proper account to them. Cause one person muhu. Oma discam, and now my any day. Inti Yadiaba or much letter and by by official email, even though Yadia chere, but en chere, copim say eja, Yadin quita who dear copim say nya. Mr. Samuel Adubuachi. Yes, okay, any yamray. Tianre call Pimsol Radio, and then Nadia. Yes, I call or Hinebe Hine, and so ho. Ya, and a fair na year but said it's in Ama Holland for Ghana for more Holland, who is Ampa Sikana yedema the Council of Ghanaian Chiefs Ghana for nyina gigi yento boade ma wo mu ampase konfa noche oyare no yenso ye de yedura yede aba de beboa amiasa yare no because of you and that so papa also yi entimi nsamre no ohene your friend osaberma asamwa kofi otoso nan aguna manu boshe just go on
aguna manu boshe bia abakuma PC the moves senior divisional chief or a Green Traditional Council precisely a Green Brass now I'm the president of the training that council of chiefs among all the Netherlands the Ogunani the name Canada Achim Betro Aguna Ghana Betro Aguna intimidated Agunani and I still have the Dachi Ogunani who's what I'm doing take a crowd I am a say any day getting near to an amount if you finish from where if you my yasi na abodi ura na medical and then attach and then another chilima adahuma only soyas yetinya kan yasasi na enye bibika injira hanu na enye me asabakofi ena me ye team and the team na the youngest of the team was about
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
Youngest was 12 years. Or no, and now, or creating even the GoFundMe platform. I see the whole day. The Ukraine, some case and Yamida. See, it meets some kind of Bunkunin fish and coming on. Here, never be brave. Let me share a side area. You know, for some back on book. Now, the mayor of the big family, the percent, and I say, young, who said, send an Massimo Mukai, GDA Yama on my. And so, coach, you, that's it. Smile with the smile, you'll be cold. Now, yes, you know, yes, yet Brunei do call you. The quiet man is a cry. And you know, Madaruma, yes, I'm to suffering of you. You don't know from 25 April, the Samba Bobo near Tiesi Kuru, Sensorum, Omo in Yama Vitiasiano, the Musumia, Casana, the year 2 see, oh, Juma Dium Shishayano, and Musumina Tribos and Athletics View. Senya, Yukushino, Nay do a dog Brania, ever more conferencing so near sorry agent on duty. The Senya, yes, no, you recall. Abe from Krata, you know, been a scanning from here, I feel my number told. I also told the association to one money. Unity for also in higher Kabum, none one walk like those account Abu Maya. You know, I congratulate a friend plus almost on the council. Now you go, no, I hear my Ghana, even nothing, Muslim, Zobo, just say. And yet to go back and yen papa and my back. I think was Antima Traditional Council. I know my Duma now, only to me. He said, I saw no, in idea. No one to name Ban Papa because I used to be fast infection and my own say, and one into your hand, Maria, a dear, I say, a chairman, and they say, and 2 1 and F, a mood, dear Banus, and the check a cashier bump. And you have send me next time, whenever I check and a very assassin with benefit of
Persona Abad. Compagnie teaching hospital. Afi, every 7 years, the blossom. As a Roman one, a beer. Lina said, na police wapa Southern Ghana. But now hospital can see a pie, middle belt, every north, the ancient baby. And now you see my NC company I see a fear in the close. The 70 years you see hospital new years starting. A bank of dedication of mind being said, your hospital talking in no organic. And you see, now it means me to man. Hospital and Yanisa. I have a wooden channel. Fees are binding my wages, as you say, a health insurance. Fees, no, I hear what you want to say, and say, what they talk, consumer must deal with. Allow us to crank a car, don't motivate staff. Maintenance and crank. Now, when say you see a Diane can see, and I hear major maintenance, like yes, it's equipment here. In that, I'm a and they said, payment for utilities in our background. Now, society neglects. Yeah, there's no man and the idea of him. Then see, Namincha, dear Yoda, only the 25 years, yeah, what's now? Secretary, that they are Asantehene, only the 25 years in here, and the silver jubilee. And of this scene, to say, wait there, the idea of it or jar or mine, and it's a confoundation one. Ocean for our non-concern to see the dinner bringing. Oh, dear, Ling, when I found this in here, they are put to next year. In the 10th of November, a year 2023, and of our part. Make us say, O man for Shibra, Nipa, Ebuchi, Esum, and Dodona, Papa, corporate world. Individuals, no, and by no matter no, Ewo. Now, so, Yamia, Kakara, Abba. Na amayenes kanidi no yaso yanti ana yewura sami edubuache ene nti adaro dumadi ni shase na nibisa mabe mboko akohwe aduma no akra yayi na amubehu se enyabu yebo modern se yebema hiu konfanoche no aye project eyeso no kokra free konfanoche enti nipa o mo hwe so ni mpanimfo ededa no ene na account ni ni bibia no emfa konfanoche sikro se ne be ya gidie na nkofo bi nyanya nkaka ede o sika aba na be koso o san se nkrofo adwenso e be fra konfanoche sikro na se yin sika ndunura onimra mo so na sika se ye die ni konfanoche bi e se dia koto nu enti account no emfa konfanoche account nipa na edi tuma ni nyina so ye tumu achefo obia ni ho a oda katua so omo sha asie nyina ni omo ye nyina meetings e so omo ye enkran ene Kumasi nyina na ye so fi nkran e ba na ye so fi Kumasi konkran omo a ne fa omo bills ai omo contributions a omo de boa dwumadie na ye Confanochi mabe na yedi. Confanochi ba ye. Se wo hwe efi middle belt, efi Ashanti region zone no a opposite north wa. Wo che Ghana regions no A16. Confanochi ehwe 12-13. Omodi omo cases ba ha emaye. Tamale teaching hospital wo. Na so na ho ode nu ye de ni je du ba bi Dumadi ni go ala so mo side bread ya hwam ya hwɛ no nko a yɛtete doctors yɛtete nurses yɛtete pharmacists na ade a wo a ɔde titi nipa na ɛna ɛma no suahuna ma na experience na ama na ɛnya skills na ma ɔde ayɛ nti sɛ wo mfidie nya na ade mfidi dada na ɛtiti nipa na culture of work no environment ni yɛ difference ya wɔn hwɛ yɛ nipa ne bɛwie adesua ɛno ara na awura ne mu a ɔno nso de pa pɛ ne mu enti hiu kɔnfa no kye no aba mmerɛfo no a kakra a yɛhu no deɛ obiara bi hu a ne n'ani agye ɛyɛ na nkurɔfoɔ bisa sɛ na sɛdeɛ wɔsi ayɛ ha akɔfa abukyerɛ aba Ghana mobɛdɛn na moahwɛ so ɛno nso deɛ yɛhyɛ mo hɔ yɛde nneɛma atoto akwan mu sɛ yɛngyae ɛmma ɛmpansa bi mede accident and emergency a yɛwɔ mu bɛyɛ nhwɛsoɔ yɛwura kɔfo abrɛ so no si ɛm sɛ ɛkɔ mfi bɛdu no yes and so wohwɛ accident and emergency a wɔm sɛ ebi a ɛnte sɛ sɛdeɛ yɛsi no no nanso yɛgu so a yɛkura mu a wosi ha ha ho compared to some other hospitals enti hiu kɔnfa no kye no yɛde nneɛma gu kwan so a cleaning maintenance even the usage of the place no yɛde yɛde bɛkɔ ho ama sɛ bi nkurɔfoɔ a wɔde wɔn sika ɛba bɛwura mu no wɔn nnu wɔn wotie nipa ne bi a wɔde donations ne ba a nika schoolfoɔ nkwadaa tumi botwa na wɔn afrɛ chief executive na wɔn ama no kyɛ schoolfoɔ nkwadaa nketenkete what it means ne sɛ wɔn chop money wɔn yɛde ama wɔn nso wɔn fa need na wɔn sacrifice a wɔn kyene kɔm just to make sure sɛ kɔnfa no kyɛ nti deɛ wɔayɛ ɛyɛ nika bebree ɛyɛ ni sɔ mo deɛ mo wɔ baabi a wɔn man na tu mpɔn ɛsɛn yɛ die yɛnam kwan so a yɛkɔ nanso yɛnuru wɔn hospitals no wohwɛ hospital ketewa ketekete hospital ketewa bi a ebire bi mekɔ sraa no ɛwɔ South Carolina ɛwɔ USA Eastleigh Baptist Hospital saa mmerɛ no mpo na wohwɛ ne budget a na ɛso sɛ Ghana nyinaa yɛ budget ɛfiri sɛ ebi a na wɔn wɔ fund bi a ebi a nkurɔfoɔ ɛde aka hospital n'akyi wɔ nkurɔfoɔ a ebi wɔn atu wɔn ho asi hɔ sɛ mede kakra bɛboa na sɛne baabi a wɔn fi baeɛ no wɔn bɔ fundraising no yɛnya nto baako fɔ so obiara de kakra ko obiara akyɛ aseɛ kyɛ sɛ mesom bi a ɛbɛyɛ yie nti kakra no wɔbɛka abom no na ayɛ kakra na anigye sɛm so koraa mehu wɔ saa hospital no ɛne sɛ hospital adwumayɛfoɔ n'ankasa nso ɛyɛ donors to the hospital nti hiu kɔnfa no kye a yɛyɛ adwumayɛfoɔ kuo no a ɛwɔ hospital ka no obiara ɛnso so aka no sɛ ɔdonate bi management team yɛdeɛ no bosome biara yɛkatua na yɛwɔ deɛ ana ɔte ɛde to hɔ a ɔte saa afe baako a yɛn nso yɛde bu nti yɛn nyinaa yɛ som ɛfiri sɛ wowɔ Kumase ha na wɔyɛ adeɛ yɛ den sɛ den na sɛ yɛantwodwo ano a yɛde osi aeroplane mu a ɛnyɛ yie ade sɛ aeroplane no yɛ air ambulance na Ghana ha binim sɛ air ambulance no yɛ wɔ bia nti nyame nhyira mo na wɔn a wɔn de wɔn ntoboa afa mo so ankanka ne unity link nti abusuafoɔ a mowɔ Holland ɛne mpɔtam hɔ nyinaa a motie me wei deɛ monhwɛ adwuma papa a unity link ayɛ no so na sɛ mode sika ɛba fie a mone wɔn ni dwuma na wɔn nyɛ sika no biem na wɔn san fa bi mmra ɛfiri sɛ neɛ adeɛ hia no deɛ ɔtaa ka ne sɛ daase bi mmra bi ɛda mo ase
planning as well for Confanachi, Mr. Atuquest. Jatuna Iriamo, a while ago. Nana Medasi, Nikasa, Mo, a church and your mom be free now. When it comes to the fundraising, that's where I try to see what I can also add. Yesha see and now if you say, okay, Adianka, none in year at the form. Say, Yesha Kayina Ghana for best or Pipi Park, 1 million. Nanka Ghana Nibia Tia 100 cities. At the time, no, Kenya $1 million, $8 million at the time of the launch. Per committee, no plans idea. No. We felt that at the time there was DDEP from the government, so we felt that okay, then let's do crowdfunding. And only beboa nanka a corporate Ghana domo dia ide ababa beka. Ye nyane sa bananka no nanka outumi say ade anka e fo pa say Ghana for what Ghana any amanone obi ase metua 100 cedis e dey support kuro ani so ade hu. In 2017-2020 me kind document be from the Dutch government and it say Ghana for a war Holland was about 23,000. Yes, I'm talking about in 20. I'm talking about 2017 document that I chanced on. No, this is a document on the official website. Yes. So if the argument say okay, and then about 6 years down the line, if I say just about 10% about become, if I say 24,000 Ghanaians, it will be 30-40% a working age group. So our working age group, you understand, could be a current €10. And can if say, give it to me about €200,000 from Holland alone. I have the same statistics from every country in Europe. I have that of Germany, I have that of Belgium, I have that of Switzerland. And if we say, Ghana for you who send ye to much Juma, say, had ye young, come on, what you have butchered in the day. And come on, say, or many children in Yina buying so, I'm crank, ye one dear. Meeting could say, ever more amanone, Moshe. Na saa message aba bedroom hono ye nyina ye kaboma e betimi asiesie Ghana na kina se oba na oba ba bedru na se oba na kroduma ye fa wakasa me nso ye den e ka ho bi e ho a wote no abusuafo e wa ha wona wo ho BBC say kim mantema na awode aye konfa no chi e na edo beba umiemu ama ohene ni so ade hunu emrem ememu ma ono ankasa ebemu ema ne man Ghana ebemu ma Asantehene ebemu ma bonofo ebemu ma yenianom omo esirem ene ne mpatam isan say hwiebe e konfano che ne de obeba ye ma ya bemu muye enimse kakra na mode aba no ya som esombu yie papapa Asantehene Europe nyina akra no omo so aka mo bo wa ya de ba like na na kan ye no ye opa ade na ka se de ba de da se bru da se be bi nso nye den emra bio ya da mase.
Asantehene da so be mu a aja owura same edubuache nso ne nkofo ye Joseph ni interpretative of never ye ya abamu sika ye jeje ne enne Asaberman Asamoah Kofi or your president of Council of Ghanaian Chiefs Unity Links you don't know Ghana embassy Umuniha, so far as the Ghana Media say the municipal and they are presented at the amount Hill Conference team. Thank you.
Going to make a I want to say I had that done no that done be that done I that done see call be I here for national gas project no no I be yeah so yes yeah.
Everybody's going to move from here.
Yes. We have to relocate them. Then we have full control of the building before we work. So initially, where we were, the A block, initially we are working it in stages, in phases. So we've completed the 4th floor and the 3rd floor now. So as we are going, we will have a comparison between the new one we've done and the old one. As you can see, these are doors, but the offices already were existing already. So we improvise in some sections of the, let's say, MEP activities, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing that were not in the existing features. So we compromise features like the fire alarm system, the CCTV camera to monitor, and initially there are a lot of thefts going on in the hospital. So we improvise the fire alarms, the CCTV cameras to be monitoring activities of people going in and out from the hospital. Then we also improvise air conditions in all the offices. Initially there were no air conditions. Then also we improvise fire alarm systems. So the rate at which fire occurs in this country is very alarming. So we improvise the fire alarm system to detect any section where there will be fire outbreak. Then quickly the technical team of the hospital can quickly access to it. Then we also improvise the fire hose reel. The fire hose reel is a system where it has been connected to the fire hydrant from the hospital, the hydrant in the hospital. So even though as the work is still ongoing, we have not completed the whole section, but we have done up to phases. So we've completed the first phase now, from roofing up to now. And the roofing aspect comprises of the existing roofing. When it rains, the whole hospital will be leaking. You know, the building has been in ages, 70 years, so the concrete slab is very weak. So we have to improve the whole concrete slab to prevent the water from seeping through. Yeah. So as you can see now, you can go through and I'll be indicating some sections to you. Yeah. So all these sections initially they were wooden, so we have to change them to block work. Yes, to block work, comprising of block, sequence block work. So here, then this is the fire hose reel. Yeah, the fire hose reel. Yeah, this section is connected, as I said earlier on, connected to the fire hydrant to the main the basement. Then we can go have a look at the washrooms. Yeah. So this is how the new washroom looks like. The existing washrooms, there were only 2 washrooms. That's one for patient and one for staff. The existing washrooms. Then 1 bathroom for patient and 1 bathroom for the staff. Then so we have to improvise in our designs. We created additional washrooms for patients and for staffs. Then also we improvise washrooms for persons with disabilities. Yeah. So excuse me, let me open it and let's see. So these are washroom with the persons with disabilities. So this, if the person comes in, like as he is, yeah, so you can hold it here, then you can have it. Yeah. Then you can
in case of lockup.
Yeah, then in case of lockup, or if you are here and you are having any difficulty, we have a system called the Nexus Score Point. This system. See. So when you press this system, this is the emergency button, and this is, both are emergency button. But when you press it, it will indicate the next that a patient is here and is lacking or is need serious assistance. So we have 3 washrooms for the patient and 3 washrooms for that is bath and WCs. The bath, yes, showers and WCs.
Okay.
Then we have also the washrooms. We have improvised the system, the hot and cold water, the hot water and the cold water system. So no, you have to press. You have to press it. That's it. Yeah. So this how the new washrooms look like. So then the staff, as I said earlier on, the staff washroom too was not enough. So we have to create a new staff washroom. So we created a new staff washroom by dividing 2. It's the same building, but you have to have access for the staff on their own. So we created 2 WCs for the staff and the shower for the staffs.
What about the patient? Do they have the washrooms?
Yeah, the patient washroom, you can enter and have a look.
This one?
But I don't know whether someone. Okay. So so you can see the patient washroom. You see, we have the 3 WCs and 3 showers for the patients.
Wow. It's not operating.
Yeah, it's already operating. Yeah. So this is the wards.
You need maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance. Yeah, so regular maintenance. So then when it comes to the wards, this is ward A5. Then the ward A5, the existing section of the wards, there were nothing like oxygen bed heads. So we have to factor oxygen bed heads for all the patients, every bed head unit. Those days they have to carry the oxygen when the patient is already using the oxygen. The patient, and we're moving it up and down. So we created the oxygen bed heads for all the patients at their bed units. Then we also improvised the HVAC. The HVAC is the system whereby the extractor will extract the heat section of the in the room and bring in the fresh air into the system. But that section, due to the cost of it consumes a lot of electricity. So we are trying to connect it to the solar panel, to minimize the cost of electricity. Yeah. But for now, we have factored it into the walls, but it's not yet in operation now. Of the ward, we've connected a Wi-Fi connectivity for the nurses, and also the tele is connected with the DSTV. Then like for them to have full comfort in the hospital before, So this is ward A5. So we are going to ward A4. Yeah. This is ward A4. So similar activity we did over there. Similar setup. Yes.
Is it possible for an individual to adopt, or a corporate or a company to adopt?
Yes, it's possible. It's possible. So as we move further, I will explain further details to you. Then you can have a look. Yeah, because of the gadgets. So this is actually the technical room. All the gadgets are here. The gadget that is controlling the like in terms of the CCTV camera, the Wi-Fi, you can name it. Everything is here. So this is the gadget that's. So this is the technical room. Yeah.
You are not going.
Yes. I'm stuck.
And for this section, we have the gadgets. So we want the gadgets to be cooling as they are working. Yeah.
A system room.
Yeah, system room. Yeah, on the control room. Yes. So this is how it is.
And the cable
the cable.
So are we seeing?
Yeah, the cable. So the cable from the grids. These are how we connected everything. Yeah, in their each compartment. They are all labeled. So if there's any faulty activity or any fault wire or lighting, you can easily access it from this side. So yeah, so okay, so let's go to we can end here, but I wanted to end at the far end. Then you just look at the same thing on A3. So we can have so on this section. Yeah, so on this section, you see, when you adopt a word with your name will be embossed here. That's the wall of honor. Yeah, that's the wall of honor.
And then there's a wall of donors. Where is the wall of donors?
Donated
so far. I think we've got
the wall of donors too are there, but for the inscriptions is not yet completed now. Yeah, so when you adopt a word, yeah, you work on it. Your name will be embossed here, the wall of honor. So yeah.
Is there a specific price that you need to pay
before your name will be here? For now, I can't tell. Let's Olibatu. Yeah, Olibatu. Yeah, I can't tell the amount you have to donate for your name to be embossed here, but this is the wall of honor. So similar activity is the same on the third floor. Similar activity.
Any study who announced idea they need to buy no the bakupe. I think Crase, Emame, Enana, Confanochi, Nimfield, your Sumachrim, Wagogo, Oyare, Entino, Uhiamwa, Unyase, Ebeboa, na Ubia, Abuania Sanayari. As Sasumia, a year, now, Tumfo. Epa hontuma ena kan na nanom nso akoma se kwan bia so no yen a yewo amanone titiri Holland ye kan ye ho abom ya to agege ntoboa kakra ne dia ba abeboa ama konfanoche yaresa no se entimi ankase ye betu asia ama apagenesi onu krampo na kito bia nso ye de beba na omo adwumadi ni si o mani so no omo nya bibi kakra e de afiti ase enu nti na ye kan ye ho bomu ya ye gina ha no ye nyina ye Ghana forma nyina yeko no Council of Ghanaian Chiefs no nye nko a obi o ye Ghana bia ye de hye obi o krom ho bia ye de hye o yo he ene o hema enso eduru ba bi no ye nyina ye kan ho bomu ye funu ba komu ma Den Hague, I him for Den Hague, I him for Utrecht, I him for Rotterdam, I him for Amsterdam, I him for Almere. I Hormona City Ghana for Woodbury. In Naki Kai and Sassy, a kind who woman sorry be brave. And so no, a boy chidom. Then in Yan, it took me as $11,000. Send ye decay, young femra. Now, so dear, we are dear nas £1 to Mansoa. Yana, I say, a shishakum. Send ye bear, ye my ma and a gun of Holland, no so no beji edi. Send an animal try also beji as Kaino. Oman Kosheba di bonnet, Oman for Koshisho Butu, name Mumno, send Yamo Kayan, Oma to Anamo Ediaba, Abe, my dear, a dear Musuno, if it is here. Into nearby, make a cry, and say, the better Jumadi Musu, Echi. And Yamin Kwana me buy. Yami, Minamida, Council of Chiefs na ano. Then there was Saberma as a Malkufia, Metoso, and 9. Aguamenu, Abushinja, Kufi, Abakoma, and Senior Divisional Chief, our Dream Brassy, and a Dream Traditional Area, and a President of the Council of Ghanaian Chiefs.
Oh, you, Medase. Oh, okay. Sadia Munim Hospital in Sinida, Ice Airport, Ice Lipawin, Intino, we are Yababe Hunu. You say, oh, Sadia Ban, ye de Yano. Your qua, Sabi, Yasak Ponko for Pum. ebi kura na first one ye call about 10 meters and then ye project about 100 meters. So the best spread your wings towards companies omu operated from Holland, na omu originated from Holland, omu operated wa. Bibi to say KLM, a Holland for plane. A Shell company, omu ton petrol, a Holland company. There are more companies a Holland, nenso omu operated Ghana. Tiya kwatenase. Na ya brainstorming, na ya means you bet me at least a source of funds from these big companies. Said you be in the near future. Baby sum na sikan cry then akoso na you Asantehene. Ne die so you know. Abam amemfaso aba enyina so. Ya menimu kasa me dey na nsu be bode usubuatin agenim. You too for Asantehene ne dampa no koso wani. But oba Hollanda. Do na from in a bush.